Welcome to Learn Linux Networks. Today our video is going to cover building a bootable live USB using BalenaEtcher, commonly referred to as Etcher. Before we can build our server, we're going to need to put the ISO image onto a USB that is bootable. We will download BalenaEtcher. We will download Ubuntu server ISO. We'll make BalenaEtcher an executable, and we will run BalenaEtcher, where we will select the ISO, select the USB drive, and make a bootable USB. Download the Etcher program. We will go to balena.io/Etcher. Scroll down on the web page, and under the download bar there is an app image for Linux, an installer for Windows, and there's a Mac OS version as well. BalenaEtcher is cross-platform and will work on all three of the platforms. We'll select the Linux version and we will download that to our download folder. And then you need to download the Ubuntu server ISO image. And that is at ubuntu.com/download/server. When you get to the page, you can scroll down a bit. You do have three options. We're going to do option 2, manual server installation. On this page, we'll scroll down. The latest version is 2204. For this tutorial, we are not going to be using the 2204 version. If we scroll down a little further, we see the Ubuntu server 20.04 long-term support. That is what we are going to be downloading. We'll hit the download button and the download will start. So there, we've downloaded the Ubuntu image. I actually moved it from the download folder to a separate folder on my computer where I keep all my ISO images. Once we do that, we find the BalenaEtcher. It actually comes in a zip file, so I unzipped it and to get the app image that's inside. And once you get that app image, you need to right click on the file and go to properties under permissions and make sure it is checked is executable, and then select OK. Once you do that, you can just double click on that file to open up BalenaEtcher, which I already have opened here. The first step is to select the file, and so you'll navigate to wherever you downloaded that ISO to, and you will find the Ubuntu 2004 live server ISO image, and then say OK. And then you need to select your target. Put a USB drive into the USB slot, and in this case I already have Linux Mint on this one, so I'm just going to overwrite it, select it, and then click select. And then you can click flash. For in Linux, it's going to ask you for your password to run as sudo. Enter my password, say OK, and then you can see the flashing percent. It does take a while, so again, I'm going to fast forward here just to get us to the end of this. Once the file's done, it will validate that the ISO was written to the USB drive satisfactory. That does not take as long. I skipped part of that again. Once it's finished, then your flash is complete. You can eject your USB drive, and it's now ready to go to boot up to install on your server. Thank you for watching Learn Linux Networks. Subscribe to our channel. Watch our videos.